Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, in today's video we are going to be learning how to achieve these beautiful French coins. But before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, if this is your first time to see my channel or to come across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on that red subscription box below this video to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we have an amazing and interesting videos to learn from. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome back. Now let's dive into the video. The things I'm going to use for this coiling is my ribbon, my T-pin and my mobbing stick. To start, I first of all use my ribbon to hold the hair. That's where I'm going to start coiling from. Okay, then I use the bobby pin to hold it. The bobby pin is what I'm going to use to hold the hair with the stick, because if I wrap it like that, it won't stay. So when you want to do that, you use your T-pin to attach on the ribbon, then you place it on the stick and start wrapping your hair. And when you are wrapping, make sure you are wrapping on top of the bobby pin, okay, so that after wrapping, the hair will not pull out from the stick. When I'm done wrapping, I'm still going to use another ribbon to hold the tips to secure it so that it won't lose. As you can see, the edge of this stick is very sharp because of the way I cut it. But if you want to do it, you can use something to wrap the edges. Okay, you can use either sellotape or whatever you think you can lay your hand on to wrap the edges so that it won't be sharp. What I'm using here is one stick of the mobbing stick, one of my mobbing stick that's spoiled, so I have to use the stick, and I cut it into 4. So that is why I'm going to be putting it in the hot water and loosen, then roll again, put it in the hot water and loose small like that. But if you have it plenty, it's going to be easy for you, and the coils will hold, because had even I have enough of it now, I will roll everything the same time, put it in the hot water at the same time, and allow it to air dry a bit before losing it. And in that way, it's going to retain enough coils on the hair. Enough coils. But due to I don't have it much, that is why when I roll 4 pieces, I will put it in the hot water, I will lose it immediately, then I will roll the next one and also put it in the hot water. I'm done rolling them all, and I'm just putting hot water on the beginning, the places I use a ribbon to secure. Because of the hot water, the ribbon look as if it held that place tight. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I mean. The ribbon is kind of press that beginning inside, the moment the hot water touch it, the thing folded inside. So I'm using the hot water to just loosen it, to straighten it small. And I'm done coiling. Check out the coils. Isn't it beautiful? It's very beautiful. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumb and subscribe. Bye.